Now, good evening, my people. I greet everybody. Now, good evening, now, good evening, now, good evening, now, good evening, now, good evening. Now, good evening, my people. I greet you. Now, good evening, now, well done. Now, welcome, my people. Now, welcome, my people. Welcome. Now welcome, my people. The president Uzo Yamu Wari, Honorable Peter Eso, alias No King as God, Julie Zopodala, Very Opemi. Alias Tokuna from Udo My people, now welcome. Now welcome, my people. Wait till make me come out. I don't already write on there. Who want talk truth? You know, see cloth, it take go Palace of King, go talk. Waiting I want talk concerning video where I see. You know, I tell our people, Ilebinu people, I tell them say, make them not they speak grammar. Grammar not be our language. These Ilebinu people, when they say they be United Kingdom of Benin, I tell them, make them not they speak English. They really take the advice. They come, one of Ilebinu brother, he can't come out, really speak Benin, where go make people understand. I still thank them for that thing what they do. They don't their head don't they come down, they understand. Not be to speak, we not come from we not be white people, we get our darling, we get our broken English. And at the broken English, now we they hear. We not they hear another person language. As I tell them, the person when he come and talk for the United States of Ilebinu, the person really come out, speak the language where me go understand very well. Where our papa, our mama, our children, where Ilebinu people not see their rulers. They take all the money where we supposed to take go school, where we go know about the people, but who. They take all the money to take care of their children. The guy really understand he can't speak our language. He go to language. I want play the Godomi language now when he take talk. Then make with the analyzer what he talk me. My people more than listen to the Ilebinu United States of Benin. Put the language for me. Ilebinu United States of Benin. Make it put her so that make una listen, make we suffer the analyzer here. Now small now something where we go use cup the measure to each other. That is why. Oh yeah, put on. It did there na send her to that one, huh? Oh yeah, fit. My people, wanna hold on, please. Now so the way they use a do, because the English way be they speak, the English too big pass us because our United States of Benin, you know, not only their king, their Oba collect our money to trade their children.
Anymore Joseph Ogeho. Even though you have a Latin, because of what one my photo, because of where I will be a while. Oh, I'll be a donaga no zetone. Oh, I can't a do a yahweh. And then you have to know me a measure. Because when a real year, will be a body, or be able order. Oh, ya me la jabe. Bakutana ni dogwe. Ewa mego. Waya fefe ni diome. Waya wadomo. Ni mebe dien wakoyo. Ni mabo igbabe otu be mi ya je. Be de rege ge ni ri aje be kinu ri aje. Iwini dola sifina hama wege. Bene reage. Bene kata bang obi agwari obi agwota. Bene ge ikana. Uko nozwo owi agbe. O me meke na agbe wi e ba na be gbe yen. Ma honia. Awe ọba gị ma ịwa ya wa agha ya ọwụ ya ma ihe nọ ọwụ ya kpe ọwụ ọ tikpe ni ya wedo na edoseri ya edoseri ya na eghe ba agwụ mba eko gbanedo oge no arịa ebe ebe ya ta eri ya ta ụma wa gbanedo ọkpa n'ebe nọ ụma ida eghe gbanima beni Jesu ụma na ya ma eburu ya eghe gbanima beni Jesu ụma na ya zagotu eghe gbanima beni Jesu ebi no ya be la fi ba kota na de pe le reagir o wi pe bo pa mi se ti mo re to o te do ri mayanu ebi no sunu na o ke kinu wa ya ye o devil na ya mo te do gboto e ya mo igbe go e ka ma we ri ta ja e sie meta o ko no roto na ya mo te do gboto only opponent dena but mebe we akeke ni mari po gbagba ni mari egbari ni majo ma ya kage be ni ma eje re ohun agbon ona seti sunu o devil nori obi aya bi ma kegbe ri wala wowo ebe ni atana egbo we ego azedo ese ara ekpe ni be isi
Where you?
ogi bego ma ba azedo
Come here.
Maonia wala wowo emeni atana awo jaga la heme ajo boya do la wowo etemeni po kenire o America wala wowo wa mi memeji kenivero Great Britain wa mi memeji wanire France wa mi memeji wanire Italy wa mi memeji wanire Germany wa mi memeji wala wowo Vene reagir. Awo obi ra we giavie. Obi ye we khienwu. E kero se e galile we se. Agijena. Mahonia. Wala ho. Wa gimadojoja ya simie. O te dorima. We dame ho. Awe e mo wa agbo we aja pola disun. Awozi gwe ma mioko ogwaleru. Imagina ozigwe ọma mioko ogwaleru gaka mioko na ake agwaleru ọma honia ebi no sunu te dona mama na ame gyogba ori mane ma seti ko kwo no khian lo te do ọma honia mama na ame gyogba ori ma seti ko kwo no dena because igyogba no ro na oge Nigeria no oge Ivie Great Benin Kingdom umahonia oja be kodi do yimi wa gba ni temeni pe temeni ku gba la agwowo gimado goba dole doji onu aja ta umahonia awuwa
My brother, when na Benin take talk, maybe people go still dey here when not dey hear Benin. Wetin him talk be say, he say make the United States of Benin. He say make they come repair Benin because make they come help Oba repair Benin because stranger wan collect their great kingdom of Benin. We not gonna know the stranger where we want collect the great kingdom of Benin. We when it be my name, my brother, because you introduce your name. My name na Princess Odowunoje. The great the people where want help them drag Benin. We never know. He never talk read there. The reason why it still make me when me they talk am for English, those where there are some mission people where they not they hear deep Benin. Now it make me they speak broken when our second language broken English. Wetin I want tell this our brother. He really try well, but he not quick. He not quick fast because they don't ready put problem for that land, for the great Benin, where it be it do igodomigodo. I want tell that brother say we will be woman when it come out. Una no get wetin una go repair again because una don already spoil that land. Igodomigodo. Because since when I no go talk about many years ago, many century years ago when they rule us. I want from since when Nigeria get independent. Now that is there now. 61 years it there now. Some people there when they born that years when they get independent, some not they alive again. Some still they alive. When it there 15 years, una no fast. Mona repair on a clap hand to follow Yoruba and Hausa. When it there 20 years, una no help una Oba repair the kingdom of kingdom of Ilebinu. But when water don't pass Gary, now una want to repair the kingdom of Ilebinu. You know, she say that's why I make that parable. Say people not there. People when you want talk truth, they not see cloth where go palace of king go talk. They not see cloth. They not see cloth where go. Because even when they talk now Europe in there. If na Nigeria in there, or na that our igodomigodo Biafra land in there. If I'm not young for body, the way when white hair don't take fully body, the white hair you go still see where they germinate, they come out. If I'm not still fine like that. And all the children, when me see say in get, na Europe born, they not pass through Libya Sea. They not pass through Morocco Sea. Not be now. It won't come out. Can't talk. Make the repair the kingdom of great Ilebinu. We will be Godomigodo. We don't decide our fate. We don't decide our fate. They look any person when he put to pass on the just block her. We don't decide our fate. Because we quiet for men made the do since then. When our youth they die, when nothing there for that so-called Nigeria and Edo State. Idu land, no light, no road, nothing. Kidnap people everywhere. S-men, the key. They even carry Amy. Come put for our Igodomigodo land. Because they are great kingdom of Benin. They can go to Ilebinu where they come from. That is why they plant Amy for our land. How now what country repair? One had already put. One had already said nah. People when it the Arab. Hausa Fulani, na ibi una brother, na ibi una sister. Who near una? Who dey inside una when we be the same? When we will be doing Igodomigodo, no say we be the same family. Una dinara. Una dinara accept Hausa Fulani. Una deny Igbo people. Una accept Hausa Fulani. carry Emi put for our land. Una kingdom, the picture of Emi full una kingdom palace, the kingdom of great Ilebinu. But we will be great women from Idu, Igodomigodo. Now we come out. Say, we don't get patience. Cease. Their father, their century father, fed do us anyhow. Sell us, slave us. But we still see when Oyibo, England people give us independence. We still get patience. But now, water don't pass Gary. We not feel stand again. We will be women. Because we don't lose a lot. Not to pop una no, but to press. When daughter, nurse go say whole leg. We go press before picking come out. Una not know the pains. We will be women and we know the pains. Great kingdom of Ilebinu. Now we know the pain to born picking. You, my brother, when it come out, use beneath talk so. If one of your pikin die for Mediterranean Sea or Morocco Sea, when they come Italy, you go not say they pay. It not pay you because all your children there for Obodo Yibo. You don't know the pace. You don't know the suffer. Where people back home they suffer. Now it make you come and say, may we join hands. May we take follow the people when they rule for many years, for many century years, before Nigeria even got independent. Still now, no lights, nothing. You say, may we still help una. Join, may you do it, go to me, because me, I don't know the people, because for Isha not they join. For other region, they not go join. Because they don't suffer enough. We women, great women and bitter women, when come out. We don't decide our fate. Because we don't pass through a lot. We don't suffer. The kingdom of Ilebinu reject us. Reject our children. Reject our youth. Reject our father. Reject motherless baby. Reject the widow. My brother. My beloved brother. We give an opportunity for many years ago. Una no listen to our cry. When our youth come, they use leg, they die for Mediterranean Sea, die for Italian Sea. Now they still they suffer for the Europe. How? May we suggest how we go to help Ilebinu Oba repair the place? No. The only savior where we get. When ancestors tell me, as servant of ancestors, and God Almighty when He created heaven and earth, what did they tell me? They say not only Ina the Kano, not only Ina the Kano or Madike, now He go fit deliver us for all this atrocity when He did for our land. Only Ina the Kano or Madike, Dike. Great Bini Ilebinu. Now you go fit deliver us. In Adikano, nobody. Ancestors say nobody. I even do say nobody. Now laying. And the children when they die for Mediterranean Sea, they say nobody. Their spirit say nobody, that they cry. Those when they kill from Morocco say nobody. Only in Adikano will deliver us. That is why we surrender to them. My brother, the word when you talk now, we not go fit again. Put your hands for Ilebinu Oba made the repair Idu Igodomigodo land. That is the word of our ancestors. Great brother. Oh yeah, put this thing. Maybe with the romance and the goat.
Even you know be ya degwe egesenia ni mado ya ni magele do ta orene mata da goba dole doji ono ya ta owo nwome ejo boke ka ti okuru koro owe bi avio you way
Exactly.
me de beta mo wateme no pateme no ko nwome ejo boke ka ti okuru koro eni avio you way oja me go ni doka mo wa be ne gegije na arwa o gebege
I thank God.
anye ogi heme
I thank God. You are a sweet brother. You the thought truth.
but ese mahia gesu no bi me bugwe ro tagmo ese ti sunu mewe we mana suma mana riegba mana rierun ayo ma oni la wo we me do yi we la ho gima go ba dole doji o na ebo mi ma ewe British government mi ma 1897 kega de au mahia sekima au mahia ere no munyema oja la we do ka mo wa awo be ne gegirie na hotel Nigeria even no ka jejo fi gwere ne so be na mi ge edadogo okay ga gbe ebi Fulani ga gbe ne ebi Igbo ga gbe ne ebi awo video ba be ga gbe ne mani bi edo okay ke mani bi great Benin Empire ni madori egbari ruan when I city senior hotel Ebuima dame ho gweta mata mawe e mata e kan ta mawe awaga temata ayoko imume wadi bi do egugun na aga temata ayoko imume odewo yi ye owe ezega kuhunu hure o ha me gboma ne bio eze oga kuhunu hure o ha me agboma ne bio but odewo na be lai Samu Ariowa ovi alomu yuwe ode
United States of Benin Ugwa wagwa udewu wota emenu weta na we eze galoduku rugure agi yadalomu na ya aisa Ariowa yadalomu na ya pe e mata uta when you are the only time kingdom of Ile Binu ezega loduku rugure awasi aye no lugupa because it's a parable we making na parable you make you say if a river if it don't turn to poto now we know the parable where you mean say because the thing don't already spoil from palace come as see as that river don't become poto make the poto make we just sweep them away. If you say may we go buy alum may we take toner we not fit drink that alum water. The alum water, no alum where we go see buy for. He do it go to me go to because as he lugu for that Ile Binu Palace come. All the alumni our guests come they use the watch toto for Europe now. We not go feel use that alum to do the water when it don't already spoil for the palace. We not the drink again. We not fit drink that kind of water again. As you talk away, ezega lugu kodukure, alom wagi yakbe, we not go fit use alom water drink them again. Because if we say me we still continue, it go still lugu, it go still lugu, it go still spoil, the river go still scatter. Because the people of Idu land, they don't get patience for many century years. For 61 years, when we still get independent, we get where to go make us gold for that land. Where they spend the money put, my brother? Where they spend the money put? People where if you go that way, you do it go to me go to. Your mates, you not gonna know them again. They don't become people where desert the key. You understand, my brother? We, when it be great women, great mothers, we don't decide our fate. We, the region, when it's surrounded, do Igodomigodo, where the great Benin come sit down, where we accept them. They don't to spoil the land for many years, for century years. No one come out. Anybody come out talk, then go kill her, so that make the truth not come out. If a young person talk, they go kill her. If elders talk, they go kill her. That is why ancestors wake me. That is why we be greatest mother and biggest mothers, we don't decide our fate. We don't decide. We not go open eye. We see court is the kid young children for our land. It do land. My brother, let me tell you one thing. Secret society. You don't get children for Europe. It good are from 12 years old or 14 years old or 20 years old or 22 years old or 25. It good make it day society. But the United States of Benin, the kingdom of Ile-Binu, there is court is there. When they introduce 12 years, 14 years, 13 years, 20 years, children, we're supposed to there for school. We're supposed to there for school for youth. They introduced them for courts. They started killing each other. What did children know? What did children know? Not be elderly people, they introduce the children for courts. Not be the palace that they introduce the children for courts, where you say, me una help Ile-Binu Oba Repiera. Which example una great kingdom of Benin, what tell the whole women when they don't suffer for Europe? Many of us there, where bad people don't kill, throw away for bush. Many of us there, where they don't even know where about that person. If the great kingdom of Ile-Binu that repair our country with the government, our children go they pass through this pain, they die for different country. I remember when I entered this country, when I entered Spain for Cadiz and Galicia, all those areas, every time their youth they die for drug. All the whole women for Cadiz, for Galicia, different place, all of them come out. They say, may they put, as their children they die, may they kill all the people when they bring the drug, if police arrest them. May they, now the land that they talk now. If not like they talk, I not go fit talk and come out. The women they come out. Where the way when the women come out, the government you take the matter for the women hands. Because of the way when drug come they kill their children for Galicia with Cadiz, all those areas. I remember. They stop. Even though you carry, they see small one. Now make the come put that law. Everything is stopped. Even if they see small, you go to prison. But for many years, for our land, they sold us before for slavery. We come back again. Now, Our children, they suffer. Because of the suffer, they pass through Morocco, pass through Libya to enter Europe. Many people, they die. Ile binu oba, it therefore that he do, he go to me, go to land. You not think about that. Only the person, when he think about our people, now be TV Joshua, where they go come. Not let TV Joshua, they go park, go meet her. He go share money and food for all of them. With another man when he still there, whether on worry side. Only TV Joshua. I never see people when they go deport. They first put them for prison for Libya before people will go carry their call. I never see the Benin when you say, may we help una, the Benin kingdom, make up the whole people when it's around, he go to land, may they help una put hands for Ile Binu, United Kingdom of Ile Binu. My big brother, you talk truth, but we women were born the children. Where people they kill for road, they go use knife cut their body. When people, when they palace, they see them. Una so call up, they see her. He get wife when he get foe, when that they watch many things. He no go talk say no they see. He never want to talk about that. Say my people is lossy. My people is dying for Libya and Morocco. No one. Curtis is killing our people, our children. I never hear say they ban down. Now you come, say may we put to hand before United States of Benin. May we repair the palace. Oh no. My brother, we great mothers, we don't decide to repair our Igodo Biafra land. Because all this one that they talk, now mouth, now they. You know, take it. What I go do? Now they. Now they. Wait. Hello. Hello. Hello.
I hear you now.
Oh yeah, they hear you talk. I think you want to contribute. Hello? You don't cut. Yes.
Oh. You dey hear me now?
Yes, I dey hear you. Oh yeah, talk.
Okay. Mama, I say now God go bless you, Mama. Now me wa Sophia na dey talk.
Yeah.
Long life, Mama. Mama, na 3 things. Now I contribute to 3 things. Number 1,
Yeah.
Now God go bless you. Thank God say that woman, that person na woman, not be man where they talk to na woman voice. And I know the woman, I feel like say na London, the woman dey. Thank God na he use the man talk say, Amela kodu huluhure, orano ma ogbowane bio.
Yeah.
They know, these people, they know the truth. They don't want to say it. He just get, they know they do Ashawo, they know they Europe. Rivers, they know they do Ashawo, they know they Europe.
No.
They go here, they go Europe, they go London. Now school they go, they'll go back. Now there for the work. All back is that for our glory. All back is that for our children glory. It's that for our destiny. And these people, these Filipino bastards, all these Filipino people, when they see children, they are abroad, they collect salary. Their children, they collect salary. They say they don't want to talk to. Now that's what Benin I go kill now. We know they drag now. Say now, we na Biafra. It's Igodo Migodo. No matter what, Biafra good, we be Biafra.
Yeah.
And we don't accept and then we be.
Yeah. We don't decide.
When we can say we dey fight our Biafra brothers and sisters, so we don't know what we dey do. We dey fight it because we don't want to go back to where we dey come from. That's why and to do the right thing. Na moko we dey push them, we dey fight them, tooth and nail, make dem do the needful.
Yeah.
Una cause don full. Una cause don full. Igbo people now, they don raise war against their sex. They want to fix the bad head for the Igbo land. They want to fix it. When I sit down here, when I fix them as they play, it's real way one for so, it go come for me to now. It's never too late. Mama, I know they tell them again, say it's not too late. It's never late. Make them form their grave in me. And we are coming. We are coming with the call. Nobody, that girl went there that day. These women, they don't use her do video, say they kill her. Say na answer won't do it, they for go carry us where they kill her. That girl where they kill, he say you disobey your father. They don't use her do one video. I never see one bastard people who use this girl, start for German face lady, who use this girl do video.
The girl died, they just hide that. The girl died. They kill her and they contact the same way they no talk and come out again, say the girl they alive.
Okay, Akunu na kuwalu. Akunu na kaiba ya wao. Emina ruwao. Wami wa. Ekrati ni waya uni. Elko wa nawe. We are coming. Why you guys say that this is only generation to generation? Ina hiya to wa. Mone, ili try ere we go bashawo ile river Vicente. Marie Deka or we go bashawo because why? Because over for millions Omi of Ife, they want to share their products for everywhere. When they take on the tent up, when they take on the imagine us, marginalize us, when they take on the say, Mahi, when they say they enslave us, what will punish you now? Una fear, we they come. We want to push our Igbo brothers, make them do the right thing. When they have done the right thing, we are coming for you. Let this, not the company.
They're not fit to anything. Great mother. We are going to do things with you people. Everybody go collect. We don't fear. We will collect. They will not collect. And that great believe one another. When they do say they oppress us, so when they call us Okpamahi, we never see peace. We have destroyed that Okpamahi. We are not one. Now the idiots, now the bastards. When I see abroad, the idiots. European money one and one labor for, one and one die for. When I call here, they talk like. If you don't care that here, wow, Mama, God will bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Put her for the. Give me. Wait. I be send her call here. Oh yeah, put her go there. Put her. Put her on. My people, you know one thing for this life. These people, they don't know say we ready. We will be women. It go to me go to women Biafra land. We ready. We ready. They not go feel full of again. Because we give the long years. Long fucking years. No changes. Nothing. No changes. What thing? Una know the truth. Give me. Hello? Hello?
Mama.
Yeah?
Mama.
Yeah.
Hello, mommy, koyo.
Go.
Umame dena ogwero.
Ise.
Wa yopa u Emmanuel, wa yeba u Emmanuel.
Ise.
Ikaka bok memewe, do de by the rest of our ladies, when sister Waje.
Yeah.
Do de by some of our secret iron ladies near my.
Yeah.
Ime contribute ye wetana under the cover up of where now go back to the doji.
Yeah.
You know where iyo nene kasati ni ape iyo pata we amera kuhun lugure ohama me gbomane bio.
Yeah.
You have to be on time.
Yeah.
That one he said has answered hello.
Yes, I dey hear you. All the whole world is hearing you.
Hello?
Hello, we are hearing you. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
I don't talk about. I don't have any time in mind.
Agua.
Hello?
Hello, we dey hear you. Na network. We dey hear am, but you know they hear us. Huh? Call am again. Call am back. Call am back. Hello? 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 Na network. It will not be like that. Hello? Call am, you call am. Hello? My people, we don't decide, we don't. Before person like me, I know me, all these things, like last year, if a person tell me say, I go fit come out for this thing they talk, I go say na lie. You know, the words, the word of ancestors know the true way. The word of God Almighty, you know the true way. That the thing don't fool us. Reach here. Hello?
Hello, mommy. Ela ni kotiba. Anye network imaro. Dube he ni meta nya me mai.
Iho. Where any meta?
Hey, wa
Okay.
What I was saying is that if a woman need to buy a car when I wear or bad on level.
Piano, a picture piano, by my idea by morning.
Man, to be have answered the question where Amega Kuhun Lugure, Muhammad from an ABO.
Yeah.
And part of boy head on the palace. Part of boy head on the palace. Boy, any year, all Romadeko and the white mouth here, a right hand of everybody. Me who they doing where a better your passe or Freddie Marquez for the past 1,000 years we've been expecting. If the other year for 2,000 Edo, he do while I will go behind the evening and your pa. So capa, oh, no, I'm more anything worried you, where you talk, who sang your talk, who sang your evening too. Where it's doing no more power if I'm going to get in there. You understand? Every message your partner,
at all.
Oh, when you got back with people, a second on the egg banning. They don't laugh. Oh, when you are copy, woman, I see Nalaja. Sanyo Tony Nicao, with Otoni Nogan, Yomo, Yomo, Ekamoe. A very palo, oh, yes, by everybody. Well, they are no, if you know, anything to you, who can you turn to do that? A very papa, every people, you can't tell the palace. Any man has been able for the past 2,000 years. No, we are Keru, be 1,000 years. Be man, dear boy. Nothing good, no laughable.
Imam will not say.
Are you paying no Keru? Are you paying no Keru, a warrior? Eh? Are you paying no Keru, a warrior? Ego a banning. Mamma, you call it back. Then you appreciate the next year. He has been on support. He do economy go to Emma, and we are under Biafra. No,
exactly. Biafra land in a Korean.
A family supporting our when you are to a native, when you are to a native, you are to the native. The your papa no pari yet, so he may know yet. The your papa near you, Opa man, if you Bolaja Demoyan, Opa to Boy Nakana. He may apologize to your slave trade. Again, the slave trade dinare. What no I gave another thinking, no I gave any wicked hell. Again, the slave trade in Naharo, never gonna get any. A slave trade is given, a slave trade is given for you, also the Yari, and Nakane. I am what it is a concept. Eh? Any time when I win a goodology. Any time when I win a goodology. Also the Yari, and but my you will not get them Neru, you do. Agua. No, you never need to our people like that, boy. Agua, when I fly, oh no, I'll work your way, move better. Never walk with your way, move better. Ever you went, when you are total with mama, you can't walk away. A few of way. You understand? And you can't go everywhere. They need to go everywhere. And you can't have to no better, can no be. Can you buy? You came up by way. No time. One year, like you can't go no way. You came out. My can manage my can manakwa. And your fellow, he may go where. May okay, man.
At all.
He educated the say, man, when you are cool with your diva. They are not cool with your diva. Who told me no mommy?
He said, what's a can he said, go. Put the record, the make people they hear, put we day. Where dem ogwagwa amelugu kodo amelugu kwa na egwe na olugulugu ni no lugu ari ile ife ogi lugurie na me ni magi yawu idu igodo mi godo is Biafra land e boundary mo tell you about it e boundary ogi e Biafra o tell you ba no o tell you ba imi ma iya ma
o jawo yi yeah, away as a gakumu, oh, have
leave her like that. Make talk, it doesn't matter.
Oh, devil, Nabella, Sam Wariowa, oh, the alarm you way, because oh, Ted Dorima, oh, Ted do no budget, oh, Ted do no budget.
Aye,
Evania. Eya hauni anako kuona
ugele wa
gbe ti kwe no ri obe me ma kegbe oja me we ni kama
e wanya wo
mama se ti yo say ni ma ga me yo gbogi ma na Great Benin Kingdom o kun na o de ko Nigeria mani ri edo ma se ti khore o dewo ni na tona esogia ni Nigeria me eri esogia okay 1960
ayaga
egi sogia okay 10 years ago 20 years ago ofi were ne
thank God o
eri Hausa mo evine eri Fulani mo evine otu ogoku na eri Fulani ni iya mbegbe bi ni ahia o ye iya ahia ko ensoto
e na mo emi yeto ewa na mwe sariki ga bieto
ogi akpa
emoka mugwa ka mo bagwa e sariki mama gwa lo ono je bere gbe mo je eto uwa gu mama e trick ogwa okpa ni ma e trick ogwa gi e ma
iye Fulani ni akere Mali Senegal Mauritania
oh thank God who e ni akere
yakere Rwanda Arioba ni mame Okarioba ni mame Okawotu ni mame Arioba rima unda owie Fulani no ona kiude ne ya lawa
thank God
ni adogun yen si ni o sege na ya miege hotel Nigeria ohien otoge e Fulani but my we kan akoni ya na we ma kan ri ege ni ni ya
ezelugu ne
o ja we ni do laugh sefe na ni call we ni
ezelugu ne
o teme no pe wa ri aje wa ge mado zuma ni ma zevi yo na jena erima because do we owe evega so kokobo owe no nya gi gwavio eve ora so kokobo no nya koko ori gwo koko vie ogwe vie eveni wala ho wala ho na jena erima bao na jena erima bao la ho o dewo ni na woni tie we nula wowo ni mado siuma kugbe unda bene hotel do dime eri obe dowe bene hotel Great Benin Kingdom bene dime me shoge eri obe dowe deri ogele dowe oteme gimado suma na ya tone hotel
oteme we Great Benin Kingdom ile binu idu igodo migodo ewo no wadi me no ewo ni mekere ewo nana ye kon e yaku me. Now the land they do igodo now the land where they use the sand bath me if they pay me the land I like that land. Now we be the SSS of the land, Ishan people. Now we are Biafra people. Now we get the land. But now we be visitor the United States of Ilebinu Kingdom. Now one can choose for us. Person when he go there with us, or person when he not go there with us. Una not fit choose for us. We that a great Ilebinu Kingdom no watani. Na Ilebinu una not know what it be meaning of Ilebinu. Na Ilebinu above Benin is not from Igodo. How we go call Jonuna? May we repair the kingdom of Ilebinu. Our kingdom is the kingdom of Idu, Biafra land. Una se Hausa Fulani na una brother. Igbo, when he dey backyard, na una enemy. Now una another person, but una when they want do as Igbo, una say lele. Una asawa when it there for social media, all of the career, they shout. But when that they bring me, they come. That they bring Sariki, they come. None of the way career. You not say Ilebinu great mother. They be fool. Not be men, oh. Now great mother. As me be now. I get children. Many other women. They get children. Una go kill me. Just kill all my children. Or una go kill other, or Uwa Sophia, kill all the children. Or una go kill all the other one when it's there for Swiss, kill all the children. Oh no. No, not fit. We don't suffer. We not see Belem, we not see, thank you. Or see what the great kingdom of Ilebinu, the help when they give to our parents. If it not be we, when it cross, come or you bomb mass land. When we get what he go give us money for our Idu. When in a great kingdom Oba collect everything with the president of Fulani, they take and go back for una children. The children want to never born. You come out to say, we when it be Idu. May we follow na repair great kingdom of it. Ile-Ife. My brother, it cannot work. Great mother and bitter mother say it cannot work. Look at me very well. It cannot work. Come on, baby. It cannot work. It can't work. It can't work. My brother, when una great Bini Oba dey for when he dey for Europe, we happy say maybe Papa he go school. If Papa go school for London, this one go still know the cry the way guys they naked they go fix with van for Toto. Take the work for the place where they do when they work for where the ambassador for Italy. If they drive, they pass there. Whether they use comb, they brush one side, brush the other side. With it say, he go remove our people. He go do us well. The first thing, before he go even buy car, when he go ride, he go build the fabric and carry our people come home. He no do one. Now the children, when people, when with the same money to born, he come put children copies. Make that they kill each other. Oh, brother, you come out to say, maybe we help her repair the, make we support her. Make it, he do it, go to support her. Una be great Bini Kingdom. Because that name not be our name. Our name is Idu. Na great Bini Kingdom, Ile-Ife, Ilebinu. We know Una fit go do one for una Ile-Ife. Whether they carry their papa head, they go they bury. But it not be our land. Not be Idu land. Not be Biafra land. Idu Igodomi Godo. Go Rishisha, the region, na Biafra land. Na me, princess, Odohunoji. When ancestors call, I run. I not quick no say, now this battle that they call me for. I think say na evil spirit, they worry me. When ancestors call, they tell you, brother, you say you be, your name na king of a so-so place. I don't know. But I see something like something for your head. But they're not sending that one. Bro, you don't already say it already. Say, as a lugurine. Make it lugu go Ile-Ife, my dear brother. We, when it be do, we no get hand for it. Whether the first sun they shine, our Idu Igodomi Godo, na Biafra land. Our boundary pass Yoruba land. We get the same boundary with una for if they go Ile-Ife side. Mona notice say no let my face una they sing. Women day. I never talk about men. Women day. Because of Unoba, they carry my picture. Go put her for shrine. Sing useless song where person say they die 2 years ago. I know die. Ancestors. Idi gunebere. Any son. Any do Igodomi Godo. They day my back, they day my front. They embrace me. That is why. Nobody. My dear brother. More than not fool on yourself again. Because the time when I forget up. As una deny Biafra. Say na usa full and una embrace. Una deny people of Idu, Igodomi Godo things. As una deny Biafra, so una not know them. We will be the really original. When my papa's son, a century father saw before. They said, "Lost, we come 14 times. This time around, we're going to face the battle." I be not be my papa when he saw us. Not be the blood still the rule. Now then we want to put an end to it. Great kingdom of Ile-Ife. Please. Our land, Idu land, na Biafra land. Whether anything when I want to, we did there get there. But you know, I'm not saying the way when I fool house. I fool with day. Not be any time now person go talk, una go carry una children. I not blame the children because they not go school, they don't know anything. Not be say the school. Because I not still blame them because una abba na let you know. You don't know other people. Una way they fight for I not even know now. You don't know now. You don't even know now. Nothing. Now where we stand, there we stand. More now they do the great freedom. We did. The time when the thing will happen, the whole world will shake. I promise you people that. When children don't die for Mediterranean Sea, now you come and say, we put, you want make I use any do swear for you. Any person will go come and say, make they fight for make they follow about it. Repair where many blood, many soul don't go for that land. With that they do with the diabolical way that they do with cuttings. Now Yoruba people full beneath the work. Now they're there for police. Now they're there for everything. The SSS said that they suffer. Okay, my baby. Thank we great mother we don't come out. Bitter mother. Now we did carry belly. You know how many children die? You know how many youths? Me where ancestors they thought, oh, spirit. You know how many of them die? Where the children they die, the great Obanosia, when you say na great, Ile Ifema, you know Sia, you know here, you know the fear for television. My people, more than not they provoke people. More than not they provoke people. Instead of that word to pass, what you know supposed to go market, go market. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Instead of that word, your pikin not dey there, mama.
Yeah.
Hello?
I dey hear you.
Your pikin not dey there, your pikin not dey there.
He did. He did. Yes, he did.
Yeah.
I dey hear you.
Hello? Then I may look comment.
I be the.
Your pikin not dey there, your pikin not dey there.
This comment I beg you. I don't tell you something you did. Oh, yeah, just block this. My people, we ready. And this hand, when they make this comment, Amy do go, he go stroke that hand. Amy do the head of our youth, when he died for Mediterranean Sea, that spirit go stroke that your hand. When you take they put this bad comments, he go stroke her. So shall it be. The hand, when you take they do this comment for this thing, Amy do, he did what he do, he go stroke your hand. He go give you stroke. Go see her. My people, we where he be do igodomigo, we ready for United States of Ile Ife. Make una pack una load, come up for that land, go Ile Ife. He do igodomigo land, na Biafra land. Weather ready for sun they shine. Make una pack una luggages. Each and people, it not go belong to una. All the whole region, go reach Urobo land. Go reach, go Abu Dusai. Go reach Agbo, pass Agbo, go everywhere. That na Biafra land with that. If you not know. That land na Biafra. Una no go. Say Hausa Fulani when it come for the jet. Na ebi una paddy, na ebi una brother. Igbo, when be say na then get our place. Una say una no know there. Ile Binu people. Una when be visitor will come choose for our hand. Una when be visitor. Now come choose for our hand. Now come tell us who be who for our land. Una not fit. Una not fit. Una not fit. Una not fit at all. We greatest mother. We did. We did. I idume anahate tema ata amami ukmanya yagwa ogenogie amami ukmo ya yagwa emata wi ado yo amami no tomato amami no tomato I do ẹ̀yìnmi ìdùnmẹ́ o amamieno temato amamieno temato ẹ̀yìnmi ìdù ìwé mata wíìrì gòdò mi gòdò ìyàyàyà orun nyari gbọmọ mi ọmọ kẹgbẹ ìbílẹ̀ bínú agbímọ mímọ kẹgbẹ o ẹ̀yìnmi ìdù èmọ wúlò bọ́tà ìdù ẹ̀yìnmi ìdù wàá pàgbẹ́ bọ́bẹ́ o ẹ̀yìnmi ìdù wàá pàgbẹ́ bọ́bẹ́ ẹ má ta ẹ̀yìn rẹ̀ agbọ̀n o ọmọ náà tètè má ta má mi wíwó ya dùn pọ́nà ya yẹgwa ẹnogé mẹ́ o ẹ̀yìnmi ìdù wàá pàgbẹ́ bọ́bẹ́ o ẹ̀yìnmi ìdù wàá pàgbẹ́ bọ́bẹ́ o nù wá gbìnà o ẹ má tagi rẹ̀ bò ẹ̀yìn má o amamieno temata mama amamieno temata maimo ẹ̀yìnmi ìdù wàjí akíọtọ nọgbàrí ẹ̀yìnmi ẹ̀sán wàjí akíọtọ nọgbàrí wàjí akíọtọ nọgbàrí o ẹ̀yìnmi ìdù nọha yagwa n'oge mamigo ya dukpọn yajo na ọtẹtẹ mata ẹ mata wara gbọn emi gwagwa yawu wa bẹgẹ gwagwa tọhoge gwagwa tọhoge ẹyin mi du gaju wa kí o tọ̀nà gbẹ̀rì ẹyin mi du ọ̀gaju wa kí o tọ̀nà gbẹ̀rì nùgbọ́n wa bẹgẹ mata emi wa sunu imo wulo. Children, they die. Nobody to tell the truth. To tell children the truth. To tell everybody the truth. All of una, they lie. All of una, they lie. Una know the truth. Una, they lie. Wagamwene ne kid on day. Wagamwene binu kid on day. All you work your tonok baby. Wano e matane. Not all. All you work your tonok baby. I need to. Ibi Modia negulo ye a Mediterranean Sea. Negulo ya Libya. Negulo ya and everywhere. A spirit in your husband walk papa. One year. Husband walk papa. Husband walk papa. What would I matter you water? 1 year. Amy do. Amy here. No any person no you do any do or you work your to knock baby. Bam yo. O ko na even do you work here. Or sene. Ansa fulani ni awa ho ni awu na wa mi yo. O ko ga even do ga so ni. Wa ga mi yo. Wa yo ge lige here wa. Wa wi mabi bi gbo my opa. Wabi Hausa Fulani okpa wana to muemi wana mwesari kido fiedo e mona kai wamaho wana iwe federal government away when oba hugwa waruwe eimi duga vetoge evi yanu yawu do segbe ati feti ni aviori ebi dia wa ogwe ebi duma oma ran oran here ogaju wa hia kyoto no gbe no e mata no ro wa na gbegbo e kibi du neve deba ibi oba ne deba ave iya ne kile ifere oju wa hia kyoto no gbe unless wa change egege unless wa change egege unless wa change unless we change a gear, why change? Who did this thing? Why don't we hot and not tie? What that? What be a matter? Wamahon, Wamagite, Wamata, what you over to go 8 hours? Any do then what? Or then what? When no what they know there, or then what papa? Any do then what? Any do then what? What me no sunu? Wamahon, what matter? Wamahon, what matter? Wamahon, what matter? Or then what? Adenuwa emohia wulo ne do but Philip
now they do now otedo oji otedo o say the great Benin kingdom
okay bugbe be gwan
e mata atamawe they a great Benin empire great Benin kingdom do ga de otedo o kenaso because e na kamona we ezega kuhunu wore ohame boma na biyo but afia we ne ogigatology say mari o vi alomu yugwe o de ogweya we no aja
o wa na salomu mu yugwe alamu ni e bi kwa kija kpuwe be webo
pe di meti we
na that alomu now na children take the wash to because still use and wash water no lugu ane
o dewe na gala e o gara America call him Ugare France call him, Ugare Britain be bana call him. Ke o utuni mamu bo oge great Benin kingdom na simiosege na no timare e JC isibo no ya hi my ho ni mayana do de bae. Okay dame owe ekwe mo tan wi yota lo. Yeah. Edinati arobo kan de ne me na yare o wi rogwa wi ra me gbiye me iyen gbini yoboni gati mu o ma onia go de gbeta ma we irogwa wi ra me gbiye me iyen gbini yoboni gati mu
we the ticket ayo
wa nenia oja me do ka mo wa ya fefefe wala o gima do ko boku gbe na ya sini o sege no tedo onoi owe Otedo or a Gilbert or a great Benin empire.
Okay.
A Dorcas one.
Okay.
Mana son. Mana if you Mana.
My brother is sunny warrior you weary. My apa. Wami bi obo we okpa. Urobona wayo o wata. My apa ta me hoteme. Iyo segeni ni wewu wa asimi ni ehin agbae because my great mother me ma wa we obo yebe ana gbebe ana sign a red barrow eyin ma ya gbon mana vie gbe masage ana ya we ton pretty yo ehin agbae princess Odohunoji na him talk am ehin agbae and as I talk, ancestors signer. Eimi do sign. Why we not say Eimi do not sign? Eimi no sunu. Kegeni ade. Jaye wa itai. Eimi do we. Eimi no sunu. Kegeni ade we no guana we me gugua. Nevio boy ye be yagmo abi wone mu eladiano ni o why wa be gikwo ladiani ave dogwi magwa ya be yeti be gun agwa egen wa ya we wa begege ne mo wa ya wulo yeze ni ana wa agbeli ya wa vin aye gan agwa egen ni o ma bugwe na ladia where a no girl of a social place or a ninu beer. Una togua. Even that it were given Yana the Mina Sunuveniana. A man la dia guai when I'm more play. Oh, one where or when or to a great Beniri. mo paro ni honi talo ma wa ven wa yaro to a great Benin ni iho ikame ta iho no wa vivi wa no di opo paladia o pe ana o ga oku odi omo nu we die la dia wa call me no ba me river vie ya la dia ven wa yaro to ni a great Benin ni ancestors we ni tamu wa if you wa here or not di onoro no wa vie ya la dia ven wa yaro to ni ancestors yen no wa ven wa ya do roto ni o enu wa en wa ya o me omo no wa biele wa vie ya la dia wa rivie ya la dia ne iya never support eve do iya be vinivia ya la dia e fe song ya o e daughters wa vie ya la dia then agwa viare unu roba agwa agbelian meno wa gwa na agwa aga gagia de when I yeti give you wa ya zese noba ave ibieleka negulo yeze ni amanagi sedehi nudo ko ha me no kuli ya hi oware okwo ha me no jin agbelegbe wa legbo omo no salobo ategi adi agbon ibiara bunagi vagin awode iya na bielo mo na munokwa e money na so iya na wulo iya rakaro salobo abe ni mave weguana wana vi vivi wa hia la diana gi gbeliya a spirit no gu yeze do de by so ne cotis gbeve do ibi bie kan wa be vioye ene oba wo egre bini ni vioye e cotis wana gi uwi o ave spirit ni wa gi vivi wa la diana gbeliya ye palace ni then agi settle me here only the ancestors of Idu Igodomigo do de bave wo neve gulo yeze na mai berin ayowa iya wa vie na de abibe yeze ibe ya mu ya okunre ina be ya gun ya gwa ni ya wa vie cause my spirit ma wa gwa eti bata ancestors ma wa gwa wa ya gwa lo toy eni gu wa vivi wa la dia a great Benin no so no more any la dia when no wa create a great Benin wa mana vivi wa la dia ancestors yan to bi avio amu hu negu lo yeze because if no ke wi mala dia apa we de toba kekele iya ne rule iya to le wi maji iya mu na gbo ibi e ka ni ga do wu lo yeze iya hu wa mana vivi wa la dia wana yeso a great Benin ni iya to bi vivi wa ya iya do gbele iya ga gbele no ba before oba ko yetin stay yeboni wa mana vivi wa la dia na gbele no ba anything wow ehia gbai wa mana vi obemege ni are yose wa mana vi to bi have yo wana ye continue wa mi o wa ma okono buwade wa ma uhun na tegbe omo ne ragbon ni ado nyewo agbona rumude awi go rebu ma emi rebu ma ege bali ya legbe the spirit ege bali ya legbe oba na ye careless kake ba me gomet na ya gbele ibi bie kana vie ona vie so ye YouTube na ya wo ebo we ya hello
Mama.
Good evening, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm here. You go and see the talk.
Okay.
Baba, they listen. They busy. They listen to you.
Okay.
They only that talk for what now was. Maybe they call help bad. Maybe they call help bad range those states.
Yes.
What did they want at age?
No, ancestor.
Maybe they kill more. Maybe they kill more people.
Yes.
If Oba wants to that Benin, you go fee arrange that without anybody's support because the money where they receive, you go feed the whole village.
Okay.
All the village where Oba get land, we sure he build factory put say make poor boys they work.
Okay.
The youth that make them they work.
Okay.
We sure he build. He not build factory for anywhere. The money where they receive, they use them for Dubai, they use them to do different things for this.
Bahasi.
Nigeria there.
Hey.
Abuja, for Lagos, they do different construction they go.
Yeah.
But you know, all the land get for different villages for that inside the Nigeria. You know one way you say make it build factory for this boys wey they use like Agbero. You know build factory, say make they go they work. If Oba get factory for that they don't say they forbid that.
Okay.
Make the boys they go they work. They forbid that. Eh? Not the ever say you come out on road.
Okay.
He come out and work today. Not be say work today. How bad people now they get the better work for there. Now they say they go follow her. What did they follow her here?
I never know.
Without anybody, all back and repair that Edo state. Now wickedness.
Okay.
That hatred where he get for himself, for his generation. Now he say they rule that land. The real go to children. That's they say they do. Now they put for inside courses. Then they go they do burglary of people house for night. Anybody wey talk to her. They will say, yeah, we are army uniform. Go the person here. Bring and call here, make them come put her for their prison there. That's what they do there. Now the real go to children. Now they say they do Agbero work.
Okay.
When you reach the time when they want to, when they protest settle there, they will go kill them. Give them peace, give them a concussion drink. As they kill them, they go so. Not because it's too good that day. Eh? Which person all bad don't compensate for that Edo state.
Okay.
Now only this king. Now I don't see say he gets land for all the villages where they for that place. Only share no cash there. They can't still put them for live video. They call they share them for social media. Say they catch the land where Oba gets. When I put my head. Everything what they make about the land for different places because they want to know whether person don't go step out the land. Can you imagine that kind of thing? If now you know that man a stranger and he get land for everywhere in your state, will you help that man for anything? When he beat it now, they destroy all the people where they there. Will you help? If they don't see blood, they do their sacrifice for inside palace. They go market, go buy animal, put the blood for that place so that they sacrifice blood every day.
Yeah.
I bet that this man, they vex me. He vex me. You hear me?
Yeah.
He must vex me. Make them find way. If all these use them, I just pray, make the high clear. Make them root that man come up for that place. That be my prayer every day. And they pray, make that man high clear, make them root that come up for that place. Because not the person that they follow arrange any place. It's not good for anything. They don't know that's my way they smile. So now all this Aneyowa smile, I say smile, all this Yoruba laugh. That they laugh with you, that they keep. That be that. That thing, about that lady no keep the rule beneath city.
Yeah.
Nobody go follow that place. Nobody go follow that place. Because now oppression, great oppression, I say. Great oppression. Anybody wey get spiritual, I know say that man na destroyer. You know say na for that land. Only say the foolish ones wey they call they make noise for social media, they don't know their left from their right.
Yeah.
Before they go to that social media, they talk 100 times. What did they talk for? They don't know their left, they don't know their right. First way that they talk they kill them every day.
Yeah.
The one way the real go to me go to for inside, they will take and do Agbero work. When you reach that way, they say they will take compensation, they will hear say the person don't die.
Okay.
Now that was they come in, let them sit down, make them repeat their life. Not be life they take so. Mama, this one I want to tell you because that man is not the first way they follow the dollar. No, they don't follow that person. That man, he needs iron hands. And they do the sacrifice, everything. It makes people know, make their eye not clear. But many of them never know that thing not they work again. They never know.
All the my sister, listen. All the whole spirit, listen. When I see that video, I carry the video, go. You dey hear me?
I dey hear you, ma.
When I see the video, I carry a go see. I go relax for still begin the consult all the whole spirit where it die for Mediterranean Sea. Where they say, I see what this man they talk. Now they tell me say problem not there. If you say me they help her repair the United States of Kingdom of Ilebinu. Problem not there, but all the people where form the group, may they bring their first children come out. If they bring their children, whether na daughter or whether na boy, so far na their first picking, may they bring her come out. Yes. If they bring the come out, as they say they like the man, if they bring her come out, those when it is support of that man, may they bring all their first picking come out. They will kill all of them. Like this man when they talk, they go carry a picking, go to the palace, he go kill her by himself. All of them when they support her, go they kill their first picking. The spirit say they go accept, they go leave her, make they still look her. But if they not fit kill their first son or daughters for that oba, as time then when they never rest. They say no, not go fit stay for that place again. Those when it be lover of oba, make they carry their first children, make they go they kill her for her. Make they use the blood. Now only that one be the sacrifice where they go fit take. Now what did they talk be that when I go play the video for them yesterday?
Mama, none of them do have.
They go do.
They will fit do that.
They go do.
Now they say anything what they do for media, they sneer for that. They see nonsense house where they call big house. That make they call the Fed anything where they just enter live video. They will say talk berry. I say see mumu there. Best way they kill na none they talk berry. Una self that they forbid talk berry. Una family they forbid talk berry. Best way strange.
No blame them. Na medicine when it they do. But although the medicine does spoil, ancestor don't assure me say those medicine they don't remove her. Now some fathers still they fear small, but nothing they again. They don't. Ancestor they tell me that one. I even do talk.
You know they want. They say they drink photo for palace. That photo they don't contaminate them. They don't contaminate them because they say they go they drink them.
Any person talk that they say make it company, he not go enter Bini. For waiting. I will just laugh if they talk that word. Make it enter Bini.
Then they drink.
Joker boy talk, they carry a go put for prison. They're not seeing a foolish people they be. They're foolish.
Mama, they dream. The matter where they day. If this man die now, you will see say their music will change. Just much. If this man die now, their music will change, Mama. Mama, thank you. God bless you.
Thank you. Okay,
this
thank
man,
you.
You know for Benin.
Thank you. Put this thing. Put up. Now so now waiting ancestor talk. As soon as love on I want the kingdom of the United States of Benin Ile-Ife. No problem. As soon as take gather that meeting, all of una go still bring una fair children. So that
Iviera bibiji mahi edo ake mwania awe egbogede ake mwani ekokorede Maria egbogede ake mwa ekokorede wa egwu wa we egwa zedo say akpeni layo worry
why here
25 years in abroad is not a joke
maybe the way
but boya meteni metana wala wo wala ho then of a demon, be sure you have a do well. Oh, that way, my life you worry. Mamma, you Marie do better was like the way baby, I beg up back. And yet, I my life you worry. Mana do it. Gave you no sooner will tell Nigeria, and you take a clean of
oh, very wagwan, who they will not
have to fear with you. The dadore near Hyoge. Ideology, dog the ideology, no. Again, when not a constitution, I when I revive the constitution. If you a Fulani, we are going.
Ọba gbogbo àwọn bọ̀wọ̀ ẹ̀.
Federation.
Ọba gbogbo àwọn bọ̀wọ̀.
Noga zeme, noga kame se, wo bigyo boy, iya wiyekwe. So lugwoni, ma o vie ni vie Fulani, ma o vie ni vie Hausa, ma be o vie ni vie Igbo, ma be o vie ni vie Yoruba.
Dami ogi bi gbonu wetani, ogi bi gbonu wetani. Ogi bi gbonu wetani, big mistake.
Loke nairo ni gbogodo nairo.
Ebi no se we na bari Yoruba yo, ori Yoruba ọba gbogbo akọ.
Owe ikugala.
Na ka we me or you wetoni.
Ikugala hen. Ajo boya do e. Bene ge ikana. Iviedo, Iviedo. Oego biedo hin. Webe gogwana.
Ibi godo mi godo ma.
Mando zevio.
Iviedo o ibi lebinu.
Ge arioba ne mi mae. No money vigbo. No money Hausa. No money Yoruba. Obi mana do here no call down no kiyeke. Obi Iviedo no go me. Edo ya pita we a o me pe ya wa ina. Be na wa ino pe ya be wa ino ko. Egesenia ni ma ya yupu gbagba awe no ma tie boga ti oke ari ye gbede na ni ma ya do si agbada bonu na ya simi o sege no tedo no ya simi o sege no tedo ge ma na ya simi o sege no te Great Benin Kingdom
to ile
la owo ana ye na ya ta le tata toto ma honia e yo na ka dame ho na ke gwiba mi ewoyi di mado dono no so ya ka ni memory na a Great Benin Empire mekpa he na buge no gbera ihe jo bonigati o ipa he na ipe yes ibugbe no gbera ihe mi ni gati o but okay egedi me do ya he na ge ere oremwe ise London osaba ke do rama wa ni ya egebi no sunu botewe ma emesueme oja me dekwe otuna at a Great Benin Kingdom
no wana vivi wala tia na pele no ba oni emi na ancestors igwa
mata
wen gwa
owe ewo ma agogo na meroji oja me debatuna many ya debatuna me mwegbe agwe kobo me o agwe pini me o iya ya sinyo sege no te dogo me no a Great Benin Empire dame ho ivi oboga deba ivi esa ya ga deba
what make a mistake wrong mistake
unu na
you make rock of ancestors
o te Great Benin Empire ya ga deba but mani vie
all those region
mani vie
no one way go join una
mama na two way
no one way go join una
mani vie do mama na two way
Great Benin Kingdom ile Ife wa
ero oja me gweni do yimi e irunu no rize done wala ha ogowo wala ho wa gemado ko bokugbe naja sinyo sege no te edogima edo isiagmo edo ga agele isiagmo be na atake dukedo koto ga de o mateke ke ne re no ga hamima ni mahia so de weri egbe o mateke ke no ga yeri o
unu wayo ni yame
o in London imagine o a Great Britain a queenie o khamese Elizabeth
mama pege ven Elizabeth ya to lewo ni iye
dede usolu zola prime minister ogima Boris Johnson o jaja ha me queenie dododo waje hoji o iwana e kan se mana ge ido ya ni nyema we o ekini ho ni do magabe ame gboni mawa mani viedo magabe gboni awa
lady awa nene bite na je school before we na ko be do je school
na gaze yo
iya o ma bege mi lo sunu be bari ni aya to leji kege ni ga
no we the cat because the degbe ya respect
epute ewa
wala wo wa ni viedo
epute
do tie ba kotana wala ho ogare America, ogare Britain mana, ogare France, ogare Ireland, ogare Italy, ogare Japan, ogare que nous rédiger murume la.
My brother no was so a great biniki don Ile-Ife. A queen in weta anyway London. We ma begeve ibie winya e dede. We ma bege ya Hasane dede. We mi even wedota. Iya Hasana le dede. Aga biomo we London Hasane. Evi ni ma me vote doni. Hotel idu ikotomi nu wa change the hotel do. Evi ni ma vevo e London emo e. Agiri go ni. Ita gba we no atemata. O ma mi upon yo ya egwe no gie no ya temata. A queen of England in West tiny. We ma mi veni ya dole woni ye. O mono clever. Ade beno mobe u azigo ya de beno mobe wepo ota England ni. O mono we bie eti ari yo bonu we. Oba bini ni yo boni ibi omoto wi edo. Oge ibi du igodomi godo. Nu wa change ki edo. Ari yo boni ya. Igo no de. Igo no like oni. Oba gugwa wa ya belo wa different places. Omuja monoma ebie. Igwo rero ya viomo ye obiera wo bi je norie eko igwo rere ekia ekpagbe ipeni is not the race and they ask you now igwo no ya if the money wey take go put a pikin for children in wife belle e no reach to help many people e no reach am the queen of England e no dey helping people you no seeing people. You don't see the land. You don't see us all the country be where all our people they run go. Not be there. They still they help. We when they run come there. But you know about what did he do for him people? What did he do for the land? What did he do? What did he do for the land? Or when Matauki, what like Utani? What did our Abba do for the land? Tell me, my brother, please. I said tell you now, the word of ancestors, una, when you say una one repair, una one follow Oba fight the great kingdom of Ile-Ife. All of una children, the first one, ancestors say mona line now. Una go use una hand the cotton for Oba head. Then they will come down. If una fit do that one. Oh yeah, put her.
Gemado sim you say no te dogima. Even the rock there we have here by atene. We no sunu no den. Met mure na bata. Eriona one eriona. We no ni man women. We no one women. Okay. Veni we veni maya zio na ya dolo te doji.
Then mahai yagame orion hewe agai kuwa zio. Then no hai ya change. Then wakau.
Kinobe legama.
Then wakau.
Kinobe hanya.
Iya na wa iya kaki ni ma. Iye guma mwesore brother. Iye guma mwesore adi bae. Mane great women, mane great mothers, Peter mothers. Ma decide the name.
Bo be kare. Ma decide the name. Obi edo. Mo pa obi edo. But I hope na beg o de epere o ma o. Ma onia. So nye fulani redo. Because if you're Nigerian, oh, that way because Edo hotel Nigeriano.
Fulani redo. Eribia bima yaga boge. Iya wabe hotel Fulani.
No bagi maga.
Erima ya boge ya wa. Ofa mighty stop Fulani with my walo.
Oni memory ba.
O mighty ayo ke no tonia. If you chana ne ayo ke no tonia.
Oni medoyi.
Ayo ke no toni vie Fulani. O nagi kyoto na. Nagi kyoto na when egi fi vie boere. Elama no redo anya e. Ibia Fulani onya lama. Banya keke be babizwa
gwata
gwagete
na nwa na gbo you
why ita ogete ya ni ma ha igbele ya
e gbe koko ogeje ana wan ni ogeje
e koko ogete ni no li le ifere ni ma ho ni ma clear ya
e gbo ogete
e koko ogete no li le ifere no dori e tori du igodo ni ma ha ja ge ya e great mother ni ma ha ja ge ya
koko na ri aro ri hotel e Port Harcourt e gbo ogete ana wan no ugagele obi edo wa emenitana la owo la ho
ave yin ajo ave yin ajo ni wa vi iwu wa vi o latia
ma bege ma ija ma di remwe boya kenore America kenore Germany kenore France kenore England ma ebe di ya nyi he e ke ni meje na boy London Great Britain o he nebo na ya we mesaga bia yeze ele onye beni anyi beni ya pa we ya he ija begi be omomo na bege
wagwa gbera wapa ade obi
be na be anyi be yo botedo
obi tu ikoto mi godo kun obi
ni ma be ni me say because even ni ma me ya
obi le binu what time matter
mi oto no sa ba ya gwima everything mo
but
we are like Britain na una gareno
de to ba le gwima le to le gwima ji ona bi ajere yo igo are oba ya mu ji owe ni aba usa fulani oya mu de Saudi Arabia oya te lo gwa kian fi ye
Great Benin Empire Great Benin Kingdom
Ogisunu oruparedo odema
maseya because makama seya me aterebe 1897 makama seya wo fi o ma mi na fi opo be vanu akagbe na ye opo ka mo kra we areba agbe na opo ka mo pa gboto yi magbina
abeg stop that thing make my brother my people this word when this brother they talk if they talk the truth now not be I'm not sure say this man now he let binu person not be him but maybe get waiting he want for palace now he make am they talk go here talk come here one thing I want tell this brother you talk the truth some truth today you're the word where you talk we really like and we really appreciate you but one thing when I want tell you water don't pass Gary for Ilebinu people body for Idu Igodomi land we need changes and at the changes now we they work towards it now our land I want tell you now the great Benin Kingdom of Ile-Ife I want tell you now say with the changes where we want now we they work towards now we they work towards now the changes now we know want all those rubbish where concerning Oba for our land for many century years where they rule us. We need really changes. Make our mothers, our brothers, all our relatives, make them not they suffer again. Now we want. That is why we, when the great mothers, we come out. Our land, they do Igodomi land. I want tell you na great Benin Kingdom what una they do for London anywhere where una they do our land that is do Igodomi land na Biafra land. No nothing unless waiting I tell una all of una first pikin. Waiting the same me make I tell una I go bring the come. My phone number they if una don't arrange the children down. Una go call me. Ancestors go survey it whether all of them complete as soon as they do the meeting. If the thing complete, all of una way born the pikin. Now go still kill the children by ourselves for the great Benin. Now, Igodomi, they want to put their self for better position for their own self. We don't give una time for many century years. No changes for our land. Light not there Benin, with good road not there. Person they from Europe, they travel, they go. Everywhere na kidnap. Hausa Fulani full everywhere. We know about that system again. We were the great mothers. We want to change that. That is why we come out. Mona carry una great Benin go anywhere on one carry and go. Not be do Igodomi. e do ikodo na Biafra land. My people, now the waiting I can't talk today, na be that. Now really try, now do well as una come. Una going out and coming in. God Almighty, when create heaven and earth, go bless una. Now do well, my people. Let me end my video. Now bye bye for now.